So here it is, front to back. We got the 2 jacks under the front to hold it up. Go back, we still got the crate sitting under the middle of it. And we go to the back. We've got the 2 cross pieces in and the jacks holding the back up. So now I'm just gonna jack it up with the jack and pull the crate out, start putting the axle in, start putting the other cross pieces in and supports in and jacks in. So basically just gonna start with this one here in the middle, and you're just gonna keep building out and building around the whole thing. And I turn all my bolts in like this so that there's nothing sticking out to catch yourself on. And I run them up through, but I buy lock nuts instead of loose fitting everything and then going back and trying to lock tight. I just do lock nuts here and lock nuts in here. On the rest of the stuff, all these cross pieces, I just use the nuts that come with it, but I Loctite everything. If you don't Loctite everything, you'll be picking nuts and bolts up off the road for as far as you can drive. Anyway, hope this helped. Thanks.